All right, happy Monday to everybody out there in Lakerland. If you're on this video, you're just checking out to see what the homework is tonight, and it's real easy. It has to do with capitalization, and we're using capitalization on specific names of people and pets. Mr. and Mrs. Kelly have a very smart bird. We're not going to do bird capitalized, right? Not doing that. But if we were naming the bird, they have an African gray parrot named Alec. Well, that's the bird's name. We got to capitalize it, right? And African is its origin, so that's specific, right? We need to capitalize it. At first, Mom didn't want a pet, but she changed her mind. We don't capitalize she and her. Those are pronouns, right? But Mom, we do. That's specific, right? We're talking about your mom. You better capitalize that. For all the moms at home, they would agree. All right, and then we always capitalize the first letter of the first word of a sentence, right? And titles like Mr. and Mrs., right? Now, take a look. I'll do number one. This is how I want them doing it. So I don't want you circling anything. I want you using your editing marks. When Jennifer and John bought their bird, they didn't know he could talk. All right, so I'm thinking Jennifer is a specific name of someone, right? So we're going to three lines there, right? We're going to do 3 lines for Jennifer, 1, 2, 3, and John, 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's all that I see needs capital in that. One day, Alex said, Juan is at the door. Right before he knocked. Ooh, isn't that crazy? Which two would get capitalized in this one? Alec and Juan, right? Who? Nope. Not who would, though. All right, you guys are good to go. You're going to do that one, but then tonight also, I'm going to need you, and this is the part I'm going to spot check tomorrow. I want you to do 8, 9, and 10. I could tell you that mine would be, it says write 3 sentences about someone you know who has a pet. Use at least 1 name. I could use 2. I would say, my friend Daniel can't stand his new dog, Elliot. What 2 things would be capitalized in there? Daniel and Elliot, right? Those are the... No, that's the truth. Oh, but yeah, you can make stuff up. Yeah, that happens to be true. It's hilarious to listen to him. He's just beside himself. This dog's chewing up everything. It's not good. It's a pretty dog, though. He's a golden retriever. He's just a pup, you know. It says, draw 3 lines under the first letter of each word that needs to be capitalized. Well, we know that names, specific names, specific things like cities, states, you know, all that. You ready for this? Many people go to Boston, Lexington, or Concord to visit historic sites. I know historic sites needs to be capitalized, right? It does? No. Why would you capitalize historic sites? That's not capitalization worthy. That's not specific. It's not right. Right. There's many different types of historic sites. What specific one? Then you would capitalize. Many people go to, we know Boston needs to be capitalized, and Lexington, because those are cities, right? And Concord.
Maybe if you went to the battlefield of World War II, yeah, that'd be a specific historic.
Well, if you named the battlefield, right? You'd have to name the specific battlefield. You guys know what you're doing there? You're going to go ahead and point out all the places and things that need capitalized. We're going over this tomorrow. It's going to be a short week with capitalization because, look, after 6, we're going to get into this review, and I'm going to put it in a Google form. So you guys are ready. This is an easy A for everybody. All right. That is the language fundamentals for Monday. Tadero.